Let's talk about money. Should we say many money, much money, or a lot of money? Although we can definitely count our money, the noun money itself is not countable. So when we talk about it, we need to use either a lot of or much. Many money sounds humorous, but it's not good grammar. How can we talk about the amount of money we have then? We need to say dollars, of course. So let's try some common examples using money and dollars. We usually use a lot of when the amount is high. For example, Ted has a lot of money because he is frugal with his money. He saves some money every month and doesn't waste it on useless junk. We usually use much when the amount is low. Fred does not have much money because he has a lot of debts and he doesn't save any of his money. We can also add not to a lot or much, as in, that's not a lot of money for those shoes. You should buy them. There is not much money left in my wallet, so I am going to the ATM today. Of course, this is just a general guideline. As long as we use them properly, we can use a lot of or much for any amount. Dollar is a countable noun, and when we read about dollars, the symbols have a strange behavior. If something costs $1, we say it just like that, and if it costs more, we add s. Really easy. That candy is only $1, but the whole bag of candy costs $20. But if I say it like this, $1, the dollar symbol comes first, even though we say it after the number, so we don't say $1. Not many people make this mistake. However, some people do make this mistake. This bag costs 500 money. That is not correct, although it sounds funny.